A justice for Cwecwe is a cry of the whole South Africa. A justice for Cwecwe is a cry of women, children that have been raped day by day. Every hour, every day, every second, there is a child, there is a woman that is being raped. After all, the perpetrator walk free. A justice for Cwecwe is to remind us that dignity for women and children is failing. A justice for Cwecwe is a reminder that we have a duty as a man to stand up and protect our children and protect our women. A justice for Cwecwe is a reminder that our system is failing. It's failing the woman, it's failing the children. I have a child. You have a child. We are feeling unsafe for our children. Transport comes to pick them up every day. What happened to Cwecwe can happen at any child at any time. We are feeling the pain that this woman, Umama Cwecwe, is feeling. It's about a time whereby justice is served in South Africa. We are standing together and say that we are all part of this. This includes all of us. My child is your child is my child. We have failed to protect our children, and our system have failed us. As men, we're supposed to be standing in protecting our women and our children, but instead of that, we rape them. And then we walk free. We do it again and again and again. And up until it becomes a culture. Now it have become a culture whereby rape is a norm. Rape is a norm. Every day there is one person that is being raped. Every day there is a child who is crying of rape. Every day there is a woman who is killed, was raped. Every day there is a child who is missing. And there is nothing that is done about it. This is a day to remind us that we've got a mandate to stand on. We've got a duty and a responsibility to stand on in the healthcare centers. Every day there is a report of a rape. We are crying. We are in pain. We need to be heard out. We are shouting out loud as a nation. We need to be heard out. If nothing is done to Cwecwe, what will happen to the rest of the children? Cwecwe is just a reminder of what have happened, what have been happening for all these years. Mama Cwecwe have just reminded us and have opened those wounds. Some have shuttered it down. It happened years and years ago, and it is continuously happening day by day. Oh, let the justice be served. Thank you, South Africa, for carrying that hand and get out there to the streets and say justice for Cwecwe. Let us sign that petition and say justice for Cwecwe up until our voice is heard. Up until then we keep quiet. But we will never stop to see our children being raped and keep quiet and do nothing. Thank you, social media, for standing up. Thank you for youth for standing up. We stand and say that justice for Cwecwe, Justice for Cwecwe is a justice for my child, is a justice for your child, is a justice for the many victims of rape, is a justice for the many victims who have been raped and killed, young children and women who have been raped, killed, and then the suspects or the perpetrator is walking up free in the street. It's a time for those who have experienced this pain to come out. Come out. It's about a time whereby we explore, we expose, we explore. Justice is needed.